Now, the Isle of Islay in the Inner Hebrides is famous for its single malt distilleries. Now, whisky enthusiasts from around the world are supporting volunteer efforts on the island to help vulnerable people during the coronavirus outbreak. Over 100 people have already signed up to distribute shopping and welfare boxes to those in need. Andreas Wolf has more details.
The Isle of Islay is known for its single malts, and every year thousands of enthusiasts visit the 9 distilleries on the island. But as the ferries are now exclusively carrying local residents, visitor numbers have plummeted. Like elsewhere, many people on Islay are staying at home to protect themselves. Now a network of over 100 volunteers has been set up to help them.
She rings me regularly to see if we're fine and that sort of thing. And she will phone up for a list of shopping, and then she has to then ring to tell me how much it is so that I can put the proper money in the bag to the delivery driver.
To avoid anyone going hungry, they are now developing what they call welfare packs.
If it's a family, then nappies can go in. If somebody's got a cat, then cat food can go in. So it'd be specific, and it's going to be centralised. So police, social work, carers, and the co-op delivery driver can go and get them.
And you've also set up a donations page. My understanding is there have been monies coming in from around the world.
And I was approached by Bruichladdich Distillery about a fortnight ago and said that they'd had lots of whisky people who liked visiting the island who wanted to donate, but they've got nowhere to put it. So I set up a GoFundMe, and it has come as far as Japan, America, Germany, but also, which is very pleasing, a lot of local people as well.
They have raised over £3,500 already. This also helps with the local production of Sanitiser from spirits donated by the distilleries.
We've been amassing supplies and getting it out across the island to all those that are in isolation, to the home carers who are looking after the vulnerable folk who can't get out, to those that are being cared for by the home carers. They've all got hand sanitizer now, everybody in isolation.
Before long, they hope to be able to bring distillery-powered sanitizer to every household on the island. Andreas Wolf, BBC News.